Have you ever wondered how plants drink water from the soil? Or why doctors have to be careful when giving patients IV fluids? Or why cabbage shrinks when making kimchi? All of these things happen because of a process called osmosis. First, let's learn two simple words, solvent and solute. Water is a solvent, and a solute is something that dissolves in water, such as salt or sugar. Now, what is osmosis? A simple way to think about it is this. Water tends to move toward the area with more dissolved substances. In other words, water moves from a place with less solute to a place with more solute. Let's look at some examples. Plants absorb water through their roots. The cells in the root usually contain more dissolved substances than the water in the soil. Because of this, water moves from the soil into the root cells. This is how plants take in water. Osmosis is also important in hospitals. Our blood cells contain dissolved substances. If an IV solution contains too much solute, water leaves the blood cells and the cells shrink. If an IV solution contains too little solute, water enters the blood cells and the cells swell. That's why doctors use IV fluids that have about the same concentration as our body fluids. Osmosis also helps us make kimchi. Before making kimchi, we add salt to cabbage. The salt creates a high concentration of dissolved substances outside the cabbage cells. As a result, water moves out of the cabbage. The cabbage loses water, becomes softer, and shrinks. Osmosis is the movement of water toward an area with more dissolved substances. This simple process helps plants absorb water, helps doctors safely use IV fluid, and even helps us make kimchi. Osmosis is happening around us every day.